everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to transfer Facebook lead ads data to your CRM in real time with Pabbly Connect. So I am an owner of a digital marketing agency and I promote my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. Here what I want is that as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead, that means a new lead is going to be generated by the potential customers and clients with the help of Facebook lead ads. I want to create that lead as a contact in my CRM application. In my business, for the CRM application, I am using Keep. So here what I want is that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated, I want to add that lead as a contact in my Keep account. And for that, I'm going to build a connection between Facebook and Keep with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. So if you also want to learn about this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to transfer Facebook lead ads data to your CRM in real time with Pabbly Connect. So as an owner of a digital marketing agency, I am promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. Here what I want is that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated for my digital marketing agency with the help of Facebook lead ads, I want to add that lead into my CRM application. For the CRM application for my business, I am using Keep. So I want to add that lead as contact in my Keep account. Now creating these contacts manually after new lead that is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads is very time consuming and prone to errors. So what I did was I simply automated this entire process. Now whenever a new lead is going to be generated by the customers with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically the customer is going to be added as contact in my Keep account. And for that, we're going to create an amazing automation between Facebook lead ads and Keep with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the workflow name and for us to select a folder. So for the name of my workflow over here, I'm going to give it as Transfer Facebook lead ads data to your CRM in real time with Pabbly Connect. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow, okay? After that, it is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. Further, click on this drop down. These are the folders from which I'm going to select Facebook lead ads automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving the name to the workflow and selecting the folder, I'm going to click on this Create button in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of Transfer Facebook lead ads data to your CRM in real time with Pabbly Connect, and there are two windows in front of you. One says Trigger, other says Action. So what is Trigger and Action? Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two principles. Over here, trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means what is action? Action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We're going to set up our trigger step first. And for the trigger application, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as Facebook lead ads. As with the help of Facebook lead ads, I am receiving a lot of leads for my business. Here what I want is that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated for my digital marketing agency by the potential clients with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response of that. That is why for the trigger application, I'm going to select it as Facebook lead ads, and for the trigger event, I'm going to select it as new lead instant, okay? After selecting the trigger application and the event, you can see over here it says connect. Click on this button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection. After that, it says connect with Facebook lead ads. Before click on this button, remember to log into your Facebook account on a new tab so that connecting Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads will be easier, okay? So as I've already logged in, I'm going to go back and click on this button right over here. As you can see, we successfully authorized Facebook lead ads to Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, it is asking for us to select the page and the lead gen form. For the page, select the page with the help of which you are promoting your Facebook lead ads. So this is the page in the name of Digital Dynamics, and with the help of this page, I'm promoting my Facebook lead ads. So with the page over here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to search for Digital Dynamics. Okay, this is the page. I'm going to select it from here. Okay. After selecting the page, it is asking for us to select the lead gen form. So I've created a lead ads form in the name of Digital Dynamics lead form right away. So I'm going to select the lead gen form, okay? After selecting the page and the lead gen form over here, you can see it says save and send test request. Before clicking on this button, I want the simple response. For that, I'm going to toggle this button on of simple response, and then I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. As I've done that over here, you can see it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Facebook lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a test lead with the help of Facebook lead ads. And after generating the test lead, I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of the test lead being generated or not. In order to generate a test lead, open a new tab and over here search for Meta for Developers. Okay, select Meta for Developers, open Meta for Developers from here. You will be landed towards Meta for Developers page. Over here from this panel, go to Resources and under Resources, select the option Developer Tools. After coming to Developer Tools, if you're going to scroll down, a tool in the name of Lead Ads RTO Debug tool is provided. Select this tool from here. As you can see, as we have opened the RTO debug tool, the lead ad testing tool is then going to appear in front of you. With the help of this tool, we are going to generate the test lead. For the page over here, I'm going to select the page that I've created in the name of Digital Dynamics. And for the form, I'm going to select it as Digital Dynamic Leads form, okay? After selecting the page and the form, I'm going to click on this Preview Form button. You can see that this is the lead gen form that I've created, with the help of which I'm going to collect the data of my leads, okay? It is asking for the first name, last name, email, and the phone number of my lead. So I'm going to fill in the dummy details. Firstly, for the first name over here, I'm going to write it as test. For the last name over here, I'm going to write it as smart45. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as testsmart45@pabblytunes.com. And for the phone number over here, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue button and on submit to do the test submission. Over here, you can see it says your test lead has been sent. As now the test lead is generated, I'm going to go back to my workflow and check whether Pabbly Connect has captured the response of the test lead being generated or not. For that, I'm going to open the workflow that I've created. So this is the workflow. If I'm going to scroll down, and yes, you can see right over here, Pabbly Connect has captured the response of the test lead being generated. First name as test, last name as smart45, email is testsmart45@pabblytunes.com for the phone number, the mobile number, and all the other details. As the response is fully captured in our workflow, this means that Facebook lead ads has now been connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is done. Now, whenever a new lead is going to be generated by the potential customers from a business with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response of the lead in this similar manner. After setting up a trigger step, my objective is to transfer this lead into my CRM application that I'm using for my business. So I use Keep as a CRM for my business, and I want to create a contact of the lead that is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads in my Keep account. Now, in order to do that, we're going to set up our action step. And for the action application over here, I'm going to select it as Keep. Keep, formerly Infusionsoft, is a CRM tool designed to help small businesses automate their sales and marketing processes. It combines CRM features, email marketing, and automation tools all in one platform. With Keep, businesses can track customer interactions, organize leads, manage follow-ups all in one place. So I'm using Keep for my business, okay? So that is why for the action application, I'm going to select it as Keep. And for the action event, I'm going to select it as create/update contact, okay? As I want to create a contact of the lead that is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads. And then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection. After that, click on connect with Infusionsoft by Keep. As I'm going to do that, this window is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for a permission. So I'm going to click on this allow button. As this save process, my data is perfectly saved with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this allow button. As you can see that Keep has now been connected to Pabbly Connect. After connecting, it is asking for the email and all the other details of the contact that we want to create in our Keep account. So for the data of these details, what we are going to do is we are going to map the data. What is mapping? Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we're going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. And how mapping works is that as soon as I'm going to click on this field, this was the previous step, that is Facebook lead ads new lead instant. As I'm going to click on it, this was the same response that was captured in our previous step. As I want to create a contact in my Keep account of the new lead being generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, I want to create a contact of that potential customer. So from my previous response, I have received the email address of that lead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the data from my previous response. As I've selected the data from my previous response, the data is mapped. And as I mapped the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this map data. Okay. After that, it is asking for the lead source ID, which I do not require, so I'm going to skip the part. And next, it is asking for how to check for duplicates. I'm going to select as email. Okay. After that, it is asking for the opt-in reason. I do not have the reason, so I'm going to skip the part. Next, it is asking for the first name. So for the first name, I'm going to map the data of the first name. For the last name, I'm going to map the data of the last name right over here. Okay. After that, it is asking for the job title, the company ID. I don't have the company ID. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase this existing data from here. Okay. After that, it is asking for all these other details, which I do not have and I don't require it as well. So I'm going to skip the part. Okay. After that, over here, it is asking for the phone number. So for the phone number, I'm going to map the data of the phone number right over here. Okay. After that, it is asking for all these details, which I do not require. So I'm going to skip the part. And for the lead source over here, I'm going to write over here as Facebook lead ads. Okay, this is the lead source. And then I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. As I've done that, we have received a response, which is a positive response. So this means the contact has now been created in our Keep account. So now I'm going to open my account. So this is the contacts page of my Keep account. I'm going to refresh this page from here. As I've refreshed the page, you can see a new contact has been added in my Keep account. The name of the contact is testsmart45. Email address comes as testsmart45@pabblytudes.com. You can see right over here. The lead source comes as Facebook lead ads. You can see right over here with all the other details. As the contact has been successfully added to my Keep account, this means that we have successfully created an automation between Facebook lead ads and Keep with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum till now what we have done, I am an owner of a digital marketing agency and I promote my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. My objective is that as soon as for my digital marketing agency, a lead is going to be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, I want to add that lead as a contact in my Keep account as I'm using Keep as my CRM application in my business. Okay. So I want to add that lead as a contact in my Keep account now. In order to do that, what I've done is I've simply automated this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect, in which I've built a connection between Facebook lead ads and Keep. Okay, so this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can check the queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.